The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for central Tuscaloosa County, southwestern Jefferson County, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Deerlick Creek Campgrounds, or near Holt, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southwestern Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Bessemer, Northport, Hueytown, Fairfield, Holt, Pleasant Grove, Midfield, Brighton, Lipscomb, Brookwood, Sylvan Springs, North Johns, Bull City, Burnett, Bluff Park, Bryant-Denny Stadium, Splash Adventure and University Mall. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Tuscaloosa and Jefferson,